So today I'm unboxing this freaking Shopkin and then talking about random stuff. So like, in this video I was going to talk about what attracts me to a person romantically. If you just want to see the toy unboxing part, it's going to be to like 2 minutes. What is this? Ooh. Aw, look at that. It's like, by the way, this is Shopkins from McDonald's. I don't know, I just went to McDonald's and got this shit like a week ago. This is a umbrella with a little dog on it. Ain't that cute? And then we have a freaking that's like a chair, you know, the ones at the pools that you can sit in. It's a dog, so like, oh shoot. This is kids appropriate, but like I'm gonna talk about my sexuality and what attracts me to people. Freaking, alright, that's the Shopkins, excuse me, part. Ooh, there's a lot. Alright, anyways. Yeah, sorry, if you were wondering, if you want to stop, because I'm talking about sexuality and, like, what attracts me to people, then you can stop the video now. Anyways, I am pansexual, meaning I don't pay attention to gender. I don't care what the crap your gender is. I don't pay attention to that. So what I pay attention to in a person is how nice they are. What I look for in a person is kindness. This is, like, attraction romantically. What I like in someone is kindness, funniness, like they have the same sense of humor, and if they laugh at my jokes, that's good too. Maybe that's a bit narcissistic, I don't know. Anyways, and like they respect my pronouns. They're very nice to me. By the way, I go by they, them, or he, him. They respect my name and don't call me my dead name. Those are tiny things, but the most important is that they're nice and they have like a good sense of humor. They laugh at my jokes. And if they're depressed, which I do get attracted to depressed people because I want to make them happy. I want to make them worth it. I want to boost their self-confidence. I love it when someone is quote unquote, like, well, not even quote unquote, I call a person broken. Mentally broken, like depressed, wanting to kill themselves, think they're worthless. I like to fix broken people. Physically, I cannot fix someone, but I am willing, I only meant mentally, I will fix a broken person. Personally, I am bipolar, so I know what it feels like to be manic or depressed. Anyways, and I look for if they like the same things as me. Like, I like a game called Splatoon 2. I like Minecraft. I like Super Smash Bros. Animal Crossing. If they like that stuff, that's nice. And yeah, that's like mostly what I look for in a person. I also maybe the last thing that, well, not the last thing. The number 2 thing that I look for, it's really important, is if they're good looking, if they're cute. If they're cute, that's good too. I don't even pay attention to gender. I don't care if it's a guy or a girl. Anyways, that's it for today's video. It was short, toy opening thing, and then what I talk about that I like in people. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that subscribe button in the face. And I'm out, boys and girls and genderless people. Ignore the genderless, but yeah, for genderless, bye-bye.